Okay, Keto Mojo people. You got your keto tester here, and you're wondering, hey, I wonder if this thing is working right. So you order the solution, the test solution, but this stuff doesn't come with instructions. So I'm going to tell you how to do it. First, you take your ketone strip bottle and you look at right here at the bottom. It says control solution range. Okay, now when you order the solution, it's either level 1 or level 2. Okay, so you look at your solution and this one says level 2 or L2, whatever that is. Okay, so it's L2. You look on here and it says L2 is between these two numbers. Okay, so you just put your strip in your meter to test. Okay. All right, and then you take your solution, and I'm going to just drip it on here because I don't want to contaminate the solution with the strip. Oh wait, you're supposed to shake it. Shake this up. Shake it really good. Okay, now put a drop on something clean. Oh, it's red. Look at that. All right, now take your strip. Let's put it right there. There. What does it say? .4. Now, is it 2.4 for level 2? Let's see. Level 2, yeah, it's within that range. 2.4. Okay, so this is working properly. That's it. Thanks for watching.